Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called 10x Commissioner. In this video, I'm going to show you what is this exactly 10x Commissioner, and also I will have some exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more commissioner. And then I will go through the members area, and lastly I will go through the price and upsell as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also what is this product is called about 10x Commissioner. It's all about it's a training course will teach you how to using the top free traffic sources that you can copy and use. This is a brand new method and tested and proven. You don't have to any skill or experience to use it. You can 10x your commissioner. And how to this is also how to build your buyer list and autopilot for free. Make money front end, and you can scale it as big as possible. So let's take a look. This is also a training with step by step walk you through everything about the free traffic. This is all about YouTube traffic, Facebook traffic, and bot, and how to build your email list and bot list. So let's take a look at what my exclusive bonus for you. Okay, the bonus number one that you will get about Facebook domination secret that you will get grow your business and also teach you how to attract high-paying clients using your Facebook profile. Bonus number two, you will get mastering Facebook. This is a 5-part of a video series on mastering Facebook. Watch how to add and set up a Facebook campaign. Bonus number three, you will get a video course that is our YouTube ranking ninja page. Discover how to rank your video high on YouTube, implementing a few ninja hacks. Bonus number four, you will get a WordPress plugin. This is of YouTube Engager. This is how you can use that to 10x your opt-in ways very fast. Bonus number five, you will get a Chatbot, the Chatbot revolution. You will learn the secrets to saving instant amount of time and money by using this Chatbot. You will get all my exclusive bonus if you pick up this product. And also if you pick up any upfront, I also have offer you extra bonus. OTO bonus number one, you will get a list building extra. This cover the secret methods of how to build a huge list of hungry subscribers eager to learn and buy everything you've got. OTO bonus number two, you will get 100 e-course publishing tips. You will in this platform, you will guide they will teach how you successfully publish follow up auto response e-course that you can use a freebie or paid product persuade people to subscribe to your opt-in list, and it will show you how to increase your traffic, sales, and affiliate commission. OTO bonus number three, you will get a speedy content publishing tips. Here's how you will discover inside of this one time-saving tips, how to write quickly, and band 6 tips to make the process fast and seamless organization method. And also the OTO bonus number four, you will get a slide share tips video. You will learn the secret to get free traffic from slide share into your online business easily, just for a few hours a week. Just like YouTube allows users to upload and share videos. Share slide allows users to upload and share slideshow. If you pick up any upsell, you will get my 4 exclusive OTO bonus. All my exclusive bonus, included the vendor bonus, will be delivered to you inside the raw reports. Simply click the link below in the description. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you. So let's take a look at what is inside the members. What is inside in the members area. So inside the 10x commission members area, let's take a look. This is also module 1, 2. It's also included the 4 modules we will tap into. Module 1 is very easy. Just welcome message, the blueprint of getting success. Select the right affiliate keyword. This is also included the JV server reports and clickbank. How to find the best high converting offer. This is also a very important. Module number 2 is get guaranteed approval, because the clickbank and JV server you have get approval. If you are new and no experience, how do you get is in this video is about very important. create a review bonus page. Such media is also create a bonus page in a commission guru. But this is also in this video, and the creator will have another method to create a bonus page. Create review video is also very important. Module number 3, when review video on YouTube, and how to rank your video much higher. There is also more possibility that more people will see your review your video. Build original free traffic channel source. Secret method to generate 100 to 500 free target list per day guarantee. How to do that? Module number 4, set up your ManyChat account. It is also another way to build up your Chatbot subscriber. It is not about YouTube. It is not about email subscriber. Chatbot subscriber on Facebook. How to create a Facebook business page. How to get free Chatbot subscriber. How to create a broadcast to promote offer. That is also to promote your offer. Send broadcast through the Chatbot. 183.08 case study. If you want to, this is also you will tap into Facebook and also you will how to tap your Facebook and YouTube build your YouTube subscriber and also more organic traffic and then to have the Facebook have your how to build your subscriber and how to use it to send broadcast for your bot subscriber and promote this affiliate product with your bonus page and bonus review video. If you don't have buy any upsell, you can buy it through the inside the members area, and also they have included other resources. If you find any bonus in the sales page, you can find it in this bonuses. So there is also a very easier for you to understand that what is the inside the members area. This fully training course to teach you how to use Facebook and YouTube, how to use Facebook and YouTube and drive traffic, and also to them how to use them to promote this new product. So lastly, I also will take you through what is the price and upsell as well. So the 10x commission, 10x commission just for the $70, and you have 4 modules, ton of training video that you can tap into. Upsell number 1, you will get a once training, that is $57. It come with $37 downsell. You will learn the Facebook how Facebook ad and how to run Facebook ad for promoting launch offer and get guaranteed the instant affiliate commission. And you will learn how to set up a chatbox ad campaigns to build your chatbot buyer subscriber list and email it, and the same time you will build email list and chatbot subscriber. Upsell number 2, you will get done for you campaign $47, come with $27, and you will get a free done for you Facebook campaign including the bonus page, ad copy, lead generation ad copy, and all the done for you text and image ads, and then you will instantly to import your Facebook ad and campaign and also generate affiliate commission as soon as possible. Upsell number 4, you will get a resale license, $97, come with $77. You will sell this product and keep, and also to sell any price and you for you. Upsell number 4, you will get unlimited traffic zone at $97. They also come with $67. It's also you paste your pixel into the launch product sales page, and then you will get unlimited traffic from this pixel. And also you will have the data pasting for every the launcher. They will get access for free. As just like me, you will get access for me for your product launcher, and also you can make a review video and also the bonus page. In my opinion, I highly recommend you if you want to have a more advanced training, you can grab the Elite Upsell number 1 just for the $37. Because you will get a Facebook ad and everything is done for you, and you will instantly build your buyer list, chatbot buyer list and email list, and instantly to generate affiliate commission. This is I highly recommend that you at least pick up Upsell number 1. If you want to also have unlimited traffic, you can pick up Upsell number 4. What is the benefit you have? Because what is the benefit if you pick up this product? It's brand new platform, tested and proven, no experience, no period experience. You will get 10x commission. Discover how to build your list, autopilot, make money upfront and you scale it up as bad as you wanna. So let's recap what my exclusive bonus for you lah. Bonus number 1, you have Facebook domination lah. Bonus number 2, you will get mastering Facebook lah. Bonus number 3, you will get YouTube ranking and linking pay lah. Bonus number 4, you will get my WordPress YouTube engagement lah. Bonus number 5, you will get the Chatbot evaluation lah. You will get 5 exclusive bonus if you just pick up the front end and also if you pick up any OTO upsell, I will include 4 exclusive bonus for you. OTO bonus number 1, you will list building the expert. Bonus number 2, you will get bonus number 2 OTO bonus number 2, you will get my 100 e-commerce publishing tips. OTO bonus number 3, you will get a speedy contact publishing tips. OTO bonus number 4, you will get a slide share tips video. If you pick up any upsell, you will get my 4 exclusive bonus for you. So all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the raw report. Simply click the link below in the description. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the raw report automatically before the countdown timer. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, I have some marketing tips, multiple stream income, and how to make money online tips. And also other than bonus page in the first link, please also check my description. I also have other freebies such as my free training course, free webinar you can register, and free report you can instantly download. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.